Dealing with someone who uses offensive language can be challenging, but it's important to remember that you don't deserve to be subjected to hurtful or aggressive swearing. When faced with a cursing person, it's crucial to stay calm and avoid reacting angrily, as this could escalate the situation. Instead, use a gentle tone of voice, and if you're in a professional setting, consider transferring the call to a manager or another party if you feel overwhelmed. Validating the person's feelings can help calm them down and show that you care about their situation. Remind the individual that using profanity will not solve their problem, and give a clear warning that if they curse at you further, you will disengage. In extreme cases, hanging up or walking away from the person using profanity may be necessary to allow them time to calm down. Remember not to antagonize or escalate the situation by shouting or threatening them in return. If someone becomes threatening, contact the police and provide them with as much information as possible. If a coworker or friend's cursing bothers you, politely ask them to tone it down, explaining why it upsets you and how it may come across as disrespectful or inappropriate.